Cooking equipment has come a long way since Bailey made their first caravan in 1948, and today you can cook a full roast dinner for your family. Now, if you're new to campervans, we're going to discuss how to use your hob and your combined oven and grill. Now, before we use this, you'll need to turn on the gas, and in this particular model, it's located in a dedicated locker just the other side of this kitchen unit. Now, before we use any of the cooking equipment here, we need to make sure that this glass lid is lifted up. Now, this is a 3-burner gas hob. All you do to light the hob is that whichever one you'd like to use, push the knob in, turn it onto the maximum, and then press the igniter until it's lit. You'll need to keep this held in for a few seconds, and after a few seconds you can just let it go. Now, depending on how much temperature you need, it can be dialed in with this knob. You have a big flame at the top, small flame at the bottom, and then you just adjust it wherever you would like. That is the same for all 3 gas burners, and it's a similar system for the combined oven and grill. These are the controls on the right in this particular model. If you turn it to the right, you have option for the grill. Turn it to the left, you have the oven. So say, for example, we are trying to light the grill. Turn it to the grill symbol, press and hold, press that igniter in. Now I can see the gas is lit. Keep it held in for a few seconds, and then you're ready. So once you've cooked your dinner, your toast, or you've made that cup of tea, just make sure that everything is cool before you close this glass lid. And that is how to use the hob, oven and grill in your campervan.